freaking bluegill. It's a freaking bluegill. And guess what? Oh, he's peeing all over. Come on, man.
Steve, give me a letter.
T.
T as in Tom. Jason, Guchin, wherever you are, give me a number.
4.
4. Marcus, give me a letter. Yes.
Q.
Q. T. Tom. 4. Q. T. 4. Q. You are free to walk.
What's up, everyone? We're out here on Decker Lake, aka Walter E. Long Lake. You may have noticed that I am no longer in California. I'm actually in Austin, Texas. So a lot of things have changed since the last video came out. First of all, we moved from Northern California to Central Texas, Austin, Texas to be specific. Let's see, we bought a house. That's crazy. Oh, and Alice and I are engaged, so that's cool, huh? We've been here for a little while. There's actually this little tournament called TNT, Thursday night tournament. It's like a quick little, like 3-hour evening tournament. It starts at 6 p.m., ends at 9:30. It's very casual. Don't even use Turnips. They don't care if the mouth is open. And then you just basically write down your score and submit it in a bucket at the end of the day. I know it's fun, a little competition. Never hurt nobody. I've actually been out to these like a couple times already and have not done well. Hopefully today's the day. The game plan is we're gonna fish some grass because it is hot. The air temperature is like 100 and the water temperature actually is 85. That's not bad. I've seen it up at 90 before. So we're making our way across the lake. We're gonna find some grass, fish it, and hopefully hook into some fish. Oh, and it's top 3 longest fish too, not 5. So stay tuned. See if we can hook into some. Slow rolling into the grass there. Something's, they're nipping at it. Just breaking off the tail, huh? Oh, that's messed up. All right. Oh, that's the case. Funny. I didn't bring a lot of those. I don't know if it's a little guy or a big guy, but try to find out. Little guy, I don't want to nip. A little stinger hook. I want us to. Alright, there. Let's put a stinger hook on here. This will definitely make it catch a fish. Tell you what. It's 3 bites already, 3 short strikes. And now I got a trailer hook on there. There we go. Not getting off this time, buddy. Oh, you kidding me? Are you kidding me? It was this. It's a freaking bluegill. It's a freaking bluegill. And guess what? Oh, he's peeing all over. Come on, man. Jeez. I'm not even trying to catch you, bro. Let's evaluate. I'm gonna toss a little swim jig. See if the fish is alright. Nice. Yeah. Alright, that's a good one. That's a good one. Alright. Alright. I know I kept you out of the water a little too long. No, you're fine. You're a big guy. Peace. Grass. Get some of it while the getting's good. You might be the ticket today. I guarantee you it's a ticket today. Not the way. Alright. 18 and a half. Thanks, bud. Appreciate you. Oh, it's a long guy. Alright. Very good. Very good, very good. Alright. So long. Nice one. Yes. Nice one, buddy. Thank you. You will be very helpful. I fished this entire side for the most part. Let's make our way over to the other side in that shaded area. Let's see if we can find something. For some reason, that's the first thing that entered my mind. Come on. Oh, they own it now. Oh, they own it. That's a good point right here. She's a good one. Oh, oh, that'll call. That will call for sure. Oof. Smashed it. Oh, fat girl. Yo. Yo. Yeah. Oh yeah. Thanks, buddy. You're right where you're supposed to be. All right, just got home. Took home the W. We got first place and big bass. Man, it's been, I know it's just like a local little tourney, but man, it's been like crazy trying to figure out that lake. It's driving me freaking insane. I was trying to think about it. I was like, where haven't I been fishing? And I haven't been fishing in the grass. And that's most likely where they are. I mean, they set up very similar to, like this lake sets up really similarly to Clear Lake. So that's where I tossed. Good old swim jig, crushed him. Lucked out, caught a 22 to call my 18.5 at the end of the day. I think even without that cull, I might have been second or first still. So it was a good day. I don't know, it's one of those lakes, it's a local lake, pretty small, so I don't know, I might release this video come winter. I can't release it too soon or else people are gonna figure out that lake. So anyways, that was fun, thanks for coming on.